Hi there. If you like the mechanical keyboard typing sound, then I am here to help you to convert your normal keyboard to mechanical in just 1 minute. You can hear the sounds of the keyboard typing. These are not from my mechanical keyboard, but from a simple software which made my normal keyboard to mechanical. Let's learn how to do it. On Google, look for Mechvibes. Go to Download and download for Windows. Simply install it after the download is finished. It's easy, so I skipped it. Come to the taskbar. The icon will be here. Here in the drop-down, all the sound list is given. You can test them one by one, and then pressing the keyboard buttons will make sound as exactly as mechanical does. Different buttons of the keyboard has different tapping sound. If I open a notepad sheet, here you can find different sound notes on different button press. If you need more louder or lower sound, you can fix it here by adjusting the number 0 to 200. I increased the sound. Please go through one by one and test them. You will find the best one that suits your choice and mood. But for me, 50 is the perfect one. And I also like E.G. Oreo. So, this is how you can turn your simple keyboard to mechanical without purchasing it or replacing. Which sound name you like the most? Let me know in the comment box. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.